This is Dan Gottlieb reporting from Stratford, Vermont, showing you my new Apollo, roughly 50,000 BTU air-to-water heat pump system. We mounted this on a few excess cement blocks we had. We didn't use the rubber because this is so solid. You probably would use, though, the rubber feet and do a different installation. Now we'll go inside. We're now inside looking at the innards of the Hydro Smart Station. A lot of things were great about this. For one, just one wire going in, a few easy connections, everything clearly labeled, insulated. Basically what you have is two pumps, one that is for domestic hot water, and then one that circulates the glycol. You've got a plate heat exchanger, some three-way valves, and then this, I really like this. This is a coil, a backup coil. If it's too cold outside, after about an hour, it will turn this on, and it actually has multiple settings, fully off, 5 kilowatts, 10 kilowatts, or 15 kilowatts if you do both of these. This is touchscreen. And you can do just about everything with this. It's pretty darn slick. But my favorite feature, honestly, is the app, which I'm not really showing, but you can monitor this from Timbuktu. You can see the status of everything, the pressures, the temperatures, any errors, the temperature of the domestic hot water, the temperature of the heating water. We happen to have a radiant system here, so I'm keeping the temperature only at about 95, but the domestic hot water goes to 125. Here is the Apollo manifold with all the actuators for the thermostats. That was pretty simple. I like that it's got flow gauges on there, and if you need to, you can just shut them off. And then this is the Apollo stainless steel 110-gallon tank. I believe it's 30-gallon buffer and 80 gallons of domestic hot water. Should last forever. The system's been great to work with, very efficient, super quiet, and that's all.